He's looking this way now. I'm recording him. He's a druggie, possibly. It's not against the law to record people. But this guy keeps pacing back and forth looking for something on the ground. I don't know what he's looking for. It's just weird. I thought maybe I'd record it, make it go on the internet. He keeps pacing. I don't know if you can see him or not, but he's hiding behind that tree over there. I'm trying to make the video go viral on YouTube. I'm going to put it on YouTube. Yep, here he comes. He's coming back. Coming back this way. He's looking at me. He's trying to see what I'm doing. Freak of nature or something. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. He's looking at me. He's looking down on the ground. He's looking this way. I don't know. Maybe he'll come this way and start acting freaky or something. It'd be a better video for me if I can get him to do that. He's a very small man. I caught him walking up to the parking lot. He's hiding behind the tree now. People on drugs, maybe, I don't know. Crazy people. People keep driving in front of me. People at Walmart, because we are at Walmart. As you can see, this is Walmart. Walmart, crazy people in the parking lot. Maybe he's looking for... He's been there for like 30 minutes pacing back and forth.